Hey guys, Brad with Family Handyman. Ever thought about installing a bathroom in your basement but don't relish the idea of busting up concrete? We got a solution for you. It's an upflow bathroom system that uses a pump. So you can install a shower or tub, a sink, and a toilet in your basement without breaking any concrete. Let me show you how it's done. When you flush the Saniflo toilet, waste and water enter the container, which triggers the pump and macerator blades. The blades grind up the waste so the pump can discharge it through a 3/4 inch pipe. To begin, set the macerator unit in place behind the wall framing. Install the rubber feet and secure the pump to the floor using concrete anchors and lag screws. The macerator unit needs its own GFCI outlet. The outlet needs to be within 12 inches of an access panel and facing toward the room. Check local codes before installing this outlet. So on the way to the pump, this system does operate by gravity, so you need a 1/4 inch drop per foot of run on the way to the pump. So that's why we built this frame for the shower pan to sit on. The minimum height is 6 inches, and that's usually enough depending on the size of your P-trap and the distance to the pump. You may need to add an extra step depending on that finished height. Then it's just a matter of making the connections using PVC primer and adhesive. In our bathroom, the sink is between the shower and the toilet, so we tied in the sink drain on the way to the macerator unit. Then we finished the connection by tightening the hose clamp on the boot. Along the drain line, you'll install a vent for each fixture. Connect those vents and tie them into your existing plumbing's vent system. Mechanical vents won't work with this system, only a free air vent can be used. Slip the flexible discharge tube into its port on the pump and secure it with the provided hose clamp. Any turns in the discharge pipe need to be sweeping, no hard 90-degree turns. You can do this using a sweep elbow or 2 45-degree elbows. The easiest place to tie into the main drain is at a cleanout using a threaded reducer fitting. In our case, we cut out a section of drain in a horizontal run, added a Y fitting, and attached the discharge there. Because our macerator unit is behind the wall, we added an extension pipe that needs to be cut to length. To make a nice straight cut, wrap a piece of cardboard with a straight edge around the pipe. Mark your line and then make the cut. Set the toilet into position, then connect the flexible boot to the toilet's discharge port. Next, connect the boot to the pump. Zip ties keep the boot in place, as this is a drain, not a pressurized supply line. Then mark the hole locations on the floor through the holes in the toilet's base. Slide the toilet out of the way, then drill the holes for concrete anchors using the correct size masonry bit. Slide the toilet back into position and then install the anchoring bolts. So there you have it. We've got our toilet installed and we're ready to install our shower and sink. It's a super easy way to get a bathroom in your basement without having to bust up concrete. For more great projects like this, visit us at familyhandyman.com.